This is on that road out behind the camp. Camp Lone Wolf. Seen this pond here out through the driving by and looked pretty neat. Here we got Ted Podolak. We're shooting some publicity photos. We're going to put a book together called The Back Roads of America. Definitely made for the four-wheel drive person.